Today we're going to talk about length and how we can compare objects by length. When we talk about the length, we usually say that something is either longer or shorter. So if we look at my two little trains here, I have this orange train and this green one. The orange train is longer than the green one, right? And the orange, we would say, is the longest, and the green is the shortest. Now, if I wanted to make the orange train shorter than the green train, would I need to add cubes or take cubes away? If I want this to be shorter than this one, I would need to take away. So let's try that. Okay, so now I took some away. Now, which color train is the shortest? The orange one is the shortest, and the green is the longest. Now we're going to look at it with some strips of paper. So these are the pieces of paper that I have. Okay, so we're going to order them from shortest to longest. Okay, so first I'm going to find which piece is the shortest. So sometimes it's easier if you put them right next to each other so you can really tell. So first I'm looking for the shortest piece. And I believe this is the shortest piece. So there's my shortest. Which one would come next? Which is the next shortest? This one. And then this one. So we have shortest to longest. Now we're going to try it with some that are a little bit closer in size. So these we're really going to have to look closely at. So we want to make sure they all start at the same spot. All right, so now looking at these, we have to find the shortest one. So we want to make sure that the bottoms are all lined up. All right, so now looking at them, it might be hard for you to tell in the video, but this one is my shortest one. So again, we're going to do shortest to longest. So this is the shortest, which is the next shortest. This one. And then we have this one. And then this one is the longest. So shortest to longest. It's also kind of like smallest to biggest. The shorter one is the smallest one. Okay, now we're going to take a look at your textbook. Your textbook, we're going to look at page 86. Okay, so on page 86, they want you to draw a shorter one. So looking at the pencil, they want us to draw a shorter pencil than they drew. So they started it for us. So it can be any size you want as long as it's shorter than this pencil. So there's my pencil. So you could make yours like this short, or you can make it right to here, as long as it's shorter than this one. It just can't go past that spot. Okay, same thing with the arrow. You're going to make a shorter one. I'm going to keep this one nice and short. Okay, and you can do the same thing for the next two. Okay, then in your workbook, you're going to color the longest one and circle the shortest. So first I'm looking for the longest one. So looking at those 3 ribbons, which is the longest. This one. So I'm going to color this one. Make sure you take your time coloring. And then the shortest one I'm going to circle. So this is my shortest one. Okay, and you're going to do the same thing for the carrots. You're going to color the longest one and circle the shortest. And then on the next page, you're going to circle the ruler that is longer than the blue one. So we're looking at this blue ruler. We are looking for the red ruler that is longer than the blue one. So let's see. What about this one? Is this longer than the blue one? You can like use your imaginary line, draw like an imaginary line. Is that longer? Nope. So it's not that one. How about this red one? Is this red one longer than the blue one? It is. So we're going to circle that one. And then with the pencils, you're going to circle the pencil that is shorter than the purple one. So we're looking at this purple pencil, and we're looking for the pencil that is shorter than it. So let's look at this first one. Is this pencil shorter than the purple pencil? No, it's longer. How about this one? Nope, that's longer too. Let's try this one. Let's draw our imaginary line going up. Is this one shorter? It is. You circle that one. Okay. Make sure you take your time and ask your mom or your dad to read you the directions and make sure you follow them because they try to trick you.